As a nurse and a mom, I cared for others. But as a woman, I now had to learn how to care for myself, especially as a woman over 40, experiencing all the perimenopausal symptoms. Let me tell you something, sister. Come take a seat at the front because we need to talk how we are taking care of ourselves as perimenopausal women. Now, I'm over 40, and I can say immediately after hitting 40, my life changed completely. I now had to learn how to understand my body, not just the physical changes, but also the mental changes that comes along with it. Now I've been experiencing several physical complications from the night sweats, the insomnia, the irritability, the mood swings. I'm now hypertensive. That was recent diagnosed in the last 2 months, maybe. The back pain at nights. I can't sleep. The muscle aches, the joint pains. What else? The irregular cycle. Fibroids too. Yes, I've got multiple fibroids, which now, as a result, my cycles are so heavy and yeah, so heavy, very heavy, which now I have to be monitoring my iron levels, doing blood work. And the last time I went to my doctor, which was last week, to review my recent lab work, my ferritin level was 7. It has been declining. Like maybe 2 years ago it was in the 20s, 20 something, then 11, then 9, now 7. So it is dropping significantly, and this is because of my cycle, the heavy cycles as a result of fibroid. Now I have to relearn how to go through these lifestyle changes, adapting and adjusting and being aware of all these changes. My mental health is number one priority. It has been number one priority, but even now, make it even worse. Now, when it comes to diet and exercise, that wasn't my stronger points in life, but now I have to really take things serious and I have to really learn different things and make some real big lifestyle changes. Now, sis, if you are like me, over 40, and you are doing all these lifestyle changes, I need some tips from you, some comments. So, comment, let me know below what are some changes you are doing as a woman over 40, as you are now learning to take care of yourself, learning to take care of your body, and learning to prioritize your mental health. I want to hear from you.